Hello guys, this is Ethan from Jingle Mining. Welcome back to episode 2 of our top 5 ASIC miners to watch in 2026. So today the spotlight is on the Goldshell Mini DOGE 3 Plus, clocking at 810 megahash with a power consumption of 500 watts. So why did we choose this machine? First and foremost, it's a textbook definition of a home miner. It hits all the key requirements for home mining. It's quiet, compact, energy efficient, and supports Wi-Fi mining. We're going to fully test all those features in a minute, but there is an even more important selling point, the price. Right now on the Jingle Mining official website, you can grab a brand new unit for just $420 with the shipping and taxes, and even supports 6-month warranty. So right now we're gonna unbox this unit and to see if the Goldshell Mini DOGE 3 Plus is still worth your attention. It's another package. Oh, okay. So what's in the box? Let's see. A manual, a power cable, Goldshell Mini DOGE 3 Plus. It looks exactly like the Goldshell Mini DOGE 3. It's just with the extra antenna and increase the hash rate, right? Anyway, here is it looks like. There's 2 fans in the front, and there's a switch button, right? And here is a power port. Down here is the Ethernet port. So if it's your first time to set it up, you need to plug in the Ethernet port as well. Anyway, here's the SD card, here is the light, and here's the reset button and IP reporter, and on the bottom is where you put the Wi-Fi antenna. Anyway, later we're gonna tear this apart to see the structure inside. Alright guys, and here is the insulation paper, and here are the heat sinks and hashboards, and there are 2 hashboards in this unit, which is 4 heat sinks, because in the middle of 2 heat sinks is each hashboard. Anyway, and now let's see there are how many chips on the hashboard and how the hashboard looks like. So here you go, and now as you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is 24 chips on single hashboard. But that makes 48 chips in this Goldshell DOGE 3 Plus, which is each of them are power and tiny individuals. Okay, and now I'm gonna teach you how to set this machine up, and if you are a pro, if you don't need this, you just skip this part. Anyway, first thing, to plug the power supply and the Ethernet cable. Turn it on. Alright, and after you plug in the Ethernet and the power, go to goldshell.com. And on the top, there's supports, right? And then go to find your miner. Okay, and then you're gonna be at this page. Right? Usually it's going to be empty of your page, but I already scanned out lots of my units. Anyway, it should be empty of yours. And then press the IP report button right here, just like beside the Wi-Fi antenna, right? Just one press, one click, and then wait. The IP address will be showing up like mine like this. You see, 4 seconds ago. Copy this IP address, paste it, and go, and boom, you are at the back end of your unit. Let me change it to English first. Okay, so unlock. The default password will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Unlock. And then you need to do your Wi-Fi settings. So right here, Wi-Fi settings, add, and you see, because DX pool and F2 pool and via BTC and what is that, pooling is official working with Goldshell. So you actually just need to click one of them and put your username of your responding pool, and that's it. And then apply. So after you apply, you need to wait for this gray logo to be green, and then it means it's starting. So we need to go to the dashboard and wait till you see there is some informations. For example, the average hash rate and fan speed. Yeah, you see it's working right now. Huh? Very simple. And then you can do, if you want to do like wireless mining, yeah, you can turn off no. First, you need to set up your Wi-Fi settings and then turn off this Ethernet cable. Yeah. Anyway, also right here you can even do your mood. So right now I'm doing like the hash rate mood, and there is low power mood. There is this mood. Anyway, Goldshell advises it as a 810 mega hash unit. Anyway, we're gonna run it for, I don't know, 10 or 20 minutes to see the average hash rate if it's gonna meeting the standard. Okay, so anyway, now we're gonna test the noise level of this unit. So I'm gonna wait it to run at its full force, and then we're gonna test the noise level and the fan speed and the everything. Let's wait. Alright guys, so after 20 minutes, my unit is running at its full force now. And you see the power consumption right here, which is 470 watts. Yeah, I'm sitting next to it. I don't hear anything. Yeah, a little bit, but it's so... This is my mic. That's it. Nothing. It's so quiet. I can't... If I walk in this room, I'm not gonna realize there is a machine is running. Yeah. So as I'm speaking, now is 80 decibels something, and now I'm gonna stop talking. 30, right? 38 decibels with like 50 centimeters distance. That is crazy. And also at the same time, I'm enjoying some like pleasant heat, free heat, and because it's winter in China right now, so it's so comfortable, you know. Alright guys, so after around 32 minutes, my Goldshell Mini DOGE 3 Plus, the average hash rate is meeting the standard, which is 808 mega hash, and the fan speed is around 1500 RPM. And currently at the hash rate mode, and the temperature, most likely the chip temperature, yeah, the chip temperature has reached to 73.5 degrees. But anyway, this is what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna put this unit inside a massive heater, yeah. So I'm gonna heat the ambient temperature up to a very crazy temperature. Yeah, it will automatically off. Let's get started. Alright guys, and I'm all set, and let's do it. And because I run this unit inside for a while already, so the temperature inside must like already something. Okay, right now the ambient temperature inside is 43 degrees. I'm gonna heat it up to see when it's gonna be off. So now the ambient temperature is 50 degrees already, and I can see our Goldshell Mini DOGE 3 Plus. The fan speed has increased to 200 RPM, just like for 3 minutes. That's quite fast. And the ambient temperature, the chip temperature has increased to 76 degrees. Sorry guys, due to my microphone issues, this part was recorded without sound. Anyway, in short, we've got our results. As you can see, the Goldshell DOGE 3 Plus stopped working when the ambient temperature reached around 70 Celsius, which is 158 Fahrenheit. And actually, for a unit, just a few hundred watts of power, this is quite impressive. Because it's so rare for home mining environments to exceed this temperature, you know, even in hot weather or regions. Alright, and that's it, and I hope this test will be helpful. So we have confirmed that the average hash rate of the Goldshell Mini DOGE 3 Plus basically hit the advertised 810 mega hash. Now let's plug this data into the F2 pool calculator. And based on the current coin price and the difficulty as I speak right now, it tells us that our daily revenue is only $0.62. So not exactly a very optimistic number, is it? Next, let's take a look at your daily running costs. And we all know that this machine runs at 500 watts. And if we assume your electricity rate is 8 cents per kilowatt hour, then running it for 24 hours will cost you $0.96. So actually running this Goldshell Mini DOGE 3 Plus right now means you are losing $0.36 a day. It means, it seems even less optimistic, right? So what's the reason we are still paying attention on it? The answer is simple. It comes down to two things. Holding is easy to understand. You hold on to the Dogecoin and Litecoin, you mine until the price goes up, and which could potentially lead you to significant return in future. As for free heat, well, we just finished a comprehensive review of this machine, and we know it is incredibly qualified as a home miner. It doesn't need an Ethernet cable, it works on Wi-Fi, it's compact, and it is silent. This means you can place it anywhere in your house, especially in the bedroom or living room, and to provide you with like free heat during the winter while mining some Dogecoins and Litecoins on the side, yeah? And in the summer, you just place it near a window and open it up and vent the heat out. It won't like roast you alive like a big machines do, you know? And finally, it's just so cheap. It is currently only $420 on the Jingle Mining official website, which is jinglemining.com. Anyway, this means that if the coin price rises just a little bit, or if daily profitability turns even slightly positive, your ROI time will be very, very fast. So if you are interested in the Goldshell Mini DOGE 3 Plus or any other models or any other brands, you simply just take a look at jinglemining.com. Not only better prices, but also the most comprehensive after-sale service. You can trust us with confidence. Let me know in the comment what you guys want to see in the next video, and let me know how you think of this Goldshell Mini DOGE 3 Plus. And don't forget to like the video and follow our channel if you like it. Thank you guys for watching. I am Ethan. I will see you next time. That's it for the video today. And also let me know what you guys want to see in the next video.